Hey everyone, welcome back to Help Email Tales. Do you want to add your Microsoft 365 email to your iPhone? It's actually very easy to do. In today's video, I'll show you the whole process of adding the email step by step. So let's start with the first step. First thing you gotta do is grab your iPhone and open Settings. Now scroll a bit and open the Mail app settings. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on Mail Accounts. Now tap on Add Account. From the options you see, select Microsoft Exchange. Here, just type in your email address in the description box, write Exchange. Once that's done, tap on Next. You'll get a little pop-up asking to sign in your email address. Just tap on Sign In. Alright, now you'll be taken to the login page. Here, enter your password and tap on Sign In again. If you see Permissions page pop up, just check the consent box and tap on Accept. Finally, choose what apps you want to sync, and once you're happy with that, tap on Save. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.